Hi, this is e-bike advice, and this is the walk around review for Lime e-bikes. This review is about the e-bike that Lime Company have distributed as the first electric share bicycle scheme in Sydney, Australia. I think it's important to know the background with Sydney and share bike schemes, and that it hasn't been a very good experience for all involved. Share bike schemes in Sydney have been spoiled by reckless vandalism in combination with negative attitudes from the media and general public, culminating in share bike schemes being banned or closed down. So what makes this bicycle share scheme different? These bicycles by the US company Lime are electric bicycles or e-bikes. So let's pedal past the hype and the controversy and give ourselves a reality check and see what these share e-bikes are made of and experience what they're like to ride in comparison to e-bikes already available on the Australian market. So let's start off with the battery. We don't know the brand of the lithium battery. We're told that it has a range of up to 80 kilometres. There is an in-app battery monitoring system apparently. We think there is a GPS system whereupon central control knows when a certain Lime e-bike's battery needs charging and they send someone out to collect and charge it. But we're just speculating here. The back carrier, in this case the carrier isn't really a carrier, it's a rear rack which supports the battery. The back carrier or rack houses the battery. There are no rails on the side to support panniers or saddlebags, or even elastic straps to secure and hold down a light load. So obviously they want you to carry everything in the front basket. The brakes, the disc brakes are front and back, which respond very well, but again, no information about the brand or the parts, but not that you're going to go that fast anyway. So let's have a look at the security. There's a smart lock on the back wheel. It's GPS and 3G connected. There are audio signals and alarms, and this smart lock is activated by the Lime app you have downloaded on your smartphone. All you have to do is scan the bike and it unlocks. The gears. There is no multi-gear system. There is only one gear. This came as a surprise to us because these e-bikes were touted as good hill climbers, suitable for Sydney hilly conditions. In all of our experience with e-bikes, which goes back over 10 years, the most basic e-bike has a minimum of 3 gears. What were the operators thinking? You have a slight power up when you get started, but I seriously doubt if a regular person could hill climb their way from Bondi Beach to Bondi Junction on this e-bike. So just something to think about, and it's just, we were quite stunned by that. Anyway, unisex step-through frame with signage and instructions on how to get it going. It's strong and sturdy, and apparently it can accommodate people up to 300 kilos or even more. So that's a plus. Handlebars, twisting bell on the left hand side with brake levers on both handlebars. They responded quite well to the disc brakes that are on front and back hub or front and back wheel. That's fine. The lights, the front and the back lights are integrated, and they come on when the e-bike senses the light should. Now that the front brake is underneath the front carrier, and there's also a reflector on the top there, and the back light is on the back here, but I stress again, the lights only come on when the bike senses that they should. The seat's okay and adjustable, but the seat is not comfortable because, and it doesn't protect you from the uneven road surfaces and the bumps because of the unorthodox tyres that they have. They have airless tyres. They're foam core tyres that never go flat, they say. Yes, that's fine, but they give you a bumpy, uncomfortable ride. It's as simple as that. Front carrier, heavy duty basket plus solar panel to power GPS enabled lock. Excellent quality, and it's a natural place to put all your stuff. You put it all in there. The motor, it's a 250 watt motor on the back wheel or hub, and it can assist you up to 24 kilometers per hour, which is the maximum speed. So in summary, there's no gear system for hill climbs. There's 2 disc brakes in the front and back for braking on downhills, airless tyres which contribute to an uncomfortable ride, integrated front and rear lights that come on when they feel like it. Sealed battery and back hub motor makes the Lime e-bike a challenge to run around on. When you compare this e-bike to other brands on the market at the moment, it does not compare. The Lime Share e-bike experience is a disappointment in comparison to e-bikes already available in Australia. It's a pity because I'm hoping that the Lime Company came to Sydney with the best of intentions, but they didn't do their homework. You need a minimum of 3 gears for hill climbs around Sydney. You need to make the user or the consumer or the customer experience enjoyable. So that's the Lime e-bike, and we feel that it may have been a missed opportunity, as it's not a very good example or even the most basic electric bicycle on the e-bike market. Now, the objective of this review was to compare this e-bike with other electric bicycles already available on the Australian market. So the best way to do that is to find a bike shop near you that stocks electric bicycles and arrange a test ride with them with any brand that they have in stock. Even ask them if you can test ride it for a day or a weekend to really get acquainted with it, and you'll experience the difference. Go from A to B easily, no sweat, and in style.